tip of my shoe.
Hold on.
But I didn't get my toes on this guy. This is the world-renowned Michael Parnell.
I do what I do.
He does what he does.
You look like Indiana Jones today.
You look like Morgan Freeman. That's a good thing. Hello, sir.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, Matt.
How are you? Good to see you guys.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. What
Here
are
you
doing?
go.
Oh, I'm out of here. Hey, Marty.
We got it on
Camera
tape
man,
now,
Marty?
so now you can't say we didn't pay you.
Exactly. How are you, Marty?
Doing okay.
Oh yeah, we're setting up to do drum tracks for a new song, Cecelia, and yeah, that's about it. Is there anything else?
Who's that guy?
Cecelia?
Well, Michael Parnell. You don't want to know him. Just kidding. Michael Parnell's Michael Parnell's the best. And we got Matt Laug on the drums, of course, the world-renowned Matt Laug. It's warm in here, but I'm not gonna take my jacket off. Because it's new.
Because you're too cold.
I'm too cold. And if I take the jacket off, I gotta take the hat off too.
Right.
And then I'm just a guy in jeans and a t-shirt. And then there's nothing special about me.
Oh, there's a guy in jeans and a t-shirt.
That's right.
Yeah, but look at his hair though. He's got beautiful long locks of
I have beautiful
hair.
long locks of hair.
So he can wear anything and he still looks good.
There we go.
I'm about to go get this cut, actually. A little trim.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get
Just a little trim, not too much.
Yeah, yeah. Not too much.
Okay, okay.
Let's make it healthy.
Well, this sounds...
You're not going for the Michael Parnell look?
One day I will. One day I'll have to.
It's out of necessity.
Exactly.
Sounds amazing. Just hit the floor tom for 1 second.
Is this mic okay where it is?
Nice tune. Thank God I sent them with the cameras on. I think it's. Besides great, it was
Great.
awful.
That sounds great. It was just the worst thing ever.
It wasn't great. It was just like
It was the
awful.
worst great thing I ever heard. It's a really good tune.
Yeah.
Excellent. Killer.
Cecelia, you know that I'm coming home.
Rock on. It's really good, Matt.
Any suggestions or comments? That last pass I opened up on the ride symbol, was I bashing too hard, Tom?
No, I think it was good.
Sounded good. Sounded good.
All they suggest I have is we should go to the mall. They got a bunch of free samples of food today. You ever go to that mall in Riverside?
Which one? The Sherman Oaks Gallery.
Man, let's do a Tambo track. I hear it on the pre-course we want vacation.
Done. Tambourine. Yeah, Riverside and Woodman. You can just walk around the whole day and just eat free samples and be fine.
He's still talking.
Oh, Matt's still.
He's still talking. You're talking about free samples.
I'm gonna play the camera. I got that on TV.
Okay, let's tell.
Yeah, who cares what Matt says? We're talking about the free
Matt
teriyaki chicken.
No, they don't do that. But you get those. What are those things called? You know, like pretzel samples. You get to. Where we get that?
Sounds perfect.
Oh, very good.
By the way, Tom was when you were trying to explain yourself, Tom was talking about free samples and completely ignoring you. Just so you know.
Oh.
You
Free
go to the
samples
mall?
at the mall. You know,
Yeah.
food samples.
Because you get Tivana, you get those pretzels, you get C's candy.
Oh, Tivana's good.
What? Sivan? Oh, the chocolate.
Tivana.
The only one that
Tivana.
doesn't give out free samples anymore is the Mac store.
Yeah, it used to be nice when they gave out iPod shuffles.
Yes. Or McDonald's. Yeah, we'll do just a little Tambo action.
Cool. That sounds awesome.
Thanks. I'm glad you guys are digging it.
I'm always digging it.
Sounds great.